Listen. Here we go now. Doesn't really matter on the motherfucker, I can never stop it on the beat, but it fucking doesn't matter on the motherfucking mic, motherfucking on the motherfucking on the really good motherfucking rapping on the motherfucking mic, because I'm a motherfucking on the choppy and a motherfucking rapper, but you fuck this in your motherfucking mind, in your mind, and a motherfucking figure that I should have, but I'm just a motherfucking in around on the beat, a motherfucking when I do a motherfucking like that on the motherfucking beat, just a on the motherfucking mic, but it fucking doesn't matter because I'm motherfucking good. Doesn't really matter why, jumping on the beat again, no motherfucking, they're gonna fucking stop me, listen to the fucking beat and then they're gonna do it properly. Watch me. Here we go again on the mic, don't stop me. Everybody wanna know I'm gonna rap properly. Here we go again, never run of the motherfucking the mic, and never stop it. When I rap it like it, this is in the motherfucking beat now. Jumping on the mic and never really gonna stop me. Motherfucking yes, because I'm rapping on it properly. No motherfucker never really gonna motherfucking beat me on the motherfucking mic when I wanna be. Could have run of the mic, and then it doesn't really matter when I never really psych out. Jumping on the motherfucking beat, don't get my bike out. Doesn't really fucking matter, get my sight out. But it doesn't really matter now. Jumping on the beat, and I'm gonna show you how. Here we go again, the run of the motherfucking, the mic and never stop it, the bin of the motherfucking, the beat of the never jump, the run of the motherfucking, the mic and never stop it, but it fucking doesn't matter, cause I'm not a fucking copper on the motherfucking beat, cause I'm motherfucking good in the motherfucking mic, when you get your fucking booker, when you fucking on the motherfucking, take a fucking looker, and then you fucking hooker. But it fucking doesn't matter, cause I'm motherfucking mean on a mean machine, on the motherfucking mic, gonna be all creamy, doesn't fucking matter, cause I'm motherfucking get a motherfucking in the car, but a Lamborghini, fucking doesn't matter, cause I'm motherfucking genie, get a motherfucking in a free wish for me, fucking doesn't matter when I'm motherfucking mighty. Jump to the beat, I'm never gonna stop. Motherfucking the record, the fucking take it to the top around the motherfucking the mic, I got a fucking picture. Motherfucking me, motherfucking and the rapping, motherfucker got no motherfucking on the bars, cause you can't drive cars and they really go fast, but it doesn't. Listen. Hello now, and the motherfucking beat, gonna fucking show you how, and the motherfucking mic never stop it on the beat, I never really gonna motherfucking understand why. Cause it doesn't fucking matter why, jumping on the motherfucking beat, never stopping on the motherfucking mic, motherfucking get your motherfucking head, motherfucking on the ear, fucking listen, fucking doesn't matter when I never cause a blister. Every motherfucking body, did you see the twister? Oh yes, on the motherfucking news, but it fucking doesn't matter, and I'm never gonna lose, but anybody wanna motherfucking have a go. Bring it on the motherfucking mic, and wanna battle on the beat, I'm ready for a motherfucking to run a battle, run of the mic, I'm never gonna see. And I'm never gonna stop jumping on the beat. Never gonna be like that on the mic, but it fucking doesn't matter why. Anybody wanna motherfucking understand this situation? Motherfucking that we're in the whole nation, motherfucking and the dying. And what's this motherfucking and I'm thinking on the back? Hey, motherfucking now, what's motherfucking and happening now? Motherfucking and the new motherfucking and corona, motherfucking hitting in the motherfucking town, in the country, yes, motherfucking and a new one. What we gonna fucking and do right now? Motherfucking and make motherfucking and more, motherfucking and the cure, motherfucking don't work, cause the motherfucking keeps motherfucking coming back on the motherfucking mic when the motherfucking sack. But it fucking doesn't matter why. Cause the motherfucking try to kill every motherfucking body in the place as many as they can on the motherfucking mic, motherfucking conspiracy, motherfucking just to try to get motherfucking and rid of all the motherfucking people in the world, motherfucking and the two fucking and the fucking money on the motherfucking beat, but it's not fucking funny. But I'm never motherfucking gonna stop this motherfucking mission on the mic, motherfucking hear me, motherfucking in and out, everybody gonna be motherfucking okay, very motherfucking soon on the mic. Drop my armor down, shed my skin. I'm giving in, cross my ocean of tears, crush my wall, build a fears. You are the only one I see. I am fearing for you, this is real. Listen. Here we go again. Everybody motherfucking listen right now on the beat, but it doesn't really matter why. Everybody wanna motherfucking gotta listen on the beat, cause I'm motherfucking gonna tell you motherfucking in the secret, motherfucking right, motherfucking on the now, jumping in the motherfucking beat, motherfucking gonna motherfucking show you how. Let me fucking tell you now. Jump in the motherfucking side, the head on the motherfucking beat, the motherfucking and the chinky, motherfucking in this motherfucking and the mind, motherfucking and the know, the motherfucking cure, motherfucking and the past it, onto other people, motherfucking yes, a motherfucking like an equal, motherfucking yes, because we found the fucking sequel. But it fucking doesn't matter motherfucking why. Listen to the bitch, listen to me. Know what I'm fucking gonna be like this on the mic, cause it doesn't really matter on the motherfucking beat, never stop it, cause I'm a motherfucking, and that's motherfucking, and a rapper in the motherfucking body, but it fucking doesn't matter, cause I never say sorry on the motherfucking beat, never really gonna motherfucking touch it on the mic, but it fucking doesn't matter when I'm motherfucking rapper like this or in the beat, but I'm never gonna change. Cause it doesn't matter why you've been on the motherfucking beat, the motherfucking can fucking rapper like this or in the motherfucking beat, I'm never gonna stop or I'm never fucking choke on the motherfucking beat, cause I'm motherfucking doing not the motherfucking rapper like that or in the beat, the motherfucking never stop, cause I'm motherfucking can motherfucking and eat the motherfucking and the people motherfucking done a syllable. Cause it's fucking and a simple, yet so motherfucking run on the mic and never stop at the minute, the motherfucking the beat is never fucking on the try, but it fucking doesn't matter on the motherfucking beat, the motherfucking and listen to the motherfucking me, motherfucking when I tell you on the motherfucking beat, the motherfucking and the beat, motherfucking and the careful on the motherfucking mic when you motherfucking walking in the motherfucking round. In the motherfucking town, you get fucking down, and it fucking doesn't matter, motherfucking and the wild, motherfucking and they treat me like a fucking clown, cause they can't compete me, jumping on the motherfucking make it understand me. On the motherfucking beat together, fucking doesn't matter, cause that never really changed. On the motherfucking make a motherfucking and the throttle in the motherfucking beat, the motherfucking and the drive, motherfucking and the fire, and the motherfucking car. But it fucking doesn't know the motherfucking why. Any motherfucker in the motherfucking place in the motherfucking sky, motherfucking and I listen to the motherfucking me, motherfucking and the yes, motherfucking and the high, yes and I can be, motherfucking jumping like a motherfucking that again, I never really stop it, cause I'm motherfucking really and a good fucking lad to run it, the motherfucking the motherfucking stop it, like it, the fucking that, the motherfucking the beat, the never try. And I'm back from my motherfucking to run a breath, and it fucking doesn't matter, but I never take a rest on the bike, cause it fucking doesn't really fucking matter why, any fucking flicker what I motherfucking say. On the motherfucking beat, I say what I wanna, motherfucking mic again, it fucking doesn't matter, motherfucking when I'm rapping, motherfucking and I never, motherfucking and a warning, motherfucking just a motherfucking and it more motherfucking and the people gonna die. Don't know what to motherfucking do about this. All the motherfucking and the people trying to get motherfucking in our country, motherfucking no man, on this and I motherfucking say why, cause the motherfucking and the motherfucking get it in the motherfucking country, motherfucking and the Taliban, motherfucking be tended to be. I'm motherfucking Muslim, what you want to call it, motherfucking yes, motherfucking and Afghanistan, or the other motherfucking and the ones that are trying to bring it into the motherfucking country, motherfucking brother, the motherfucking down with the brother, the motherfucking the beat, the motherfucking the motherfucking the motherfucking are in. I'll fucking tell you why, mate. No, but on a serious note, listen carefully. Here we go again and run the mic. And it doesn't matter why. When I'm revving up the beat and I'm on my fucking feet, I'm gonna take a motherfucking out. Don't let the fuckers in. 10 and under. Over 10, fuck off. Cause that's the way it's gotta be. Cause they're fucking gonna Taliban-y. Pretend to be a fucking Muslim until they get in the fucking country. Then when they're fucking in the country, they'll fucking fuck us up properly. And we fucking didn't notice. Cause they look the same as a celebrity. But it fucking doesn't matter, the runner, the motherfucking, the mic, the never drop it, the like it, the fucking, the runner, the motherfucking, the beat, the motherfucking, and the coming, yeah, in the motherfucking country, like the motherfucking, and the way they do, on a motherfucking, make a motherfucking, and disguise as a motherfucking, just a one, motherfucking, and a person in the crowd. But they're not motherfucking, and they're really, motherfucking, we can't tell, motherfucking, which one's motherfucking, and the Muslim, and motherfucking suicide, motherfucking bomber, then the runner, motherfucking, and the motherfucking, and the motherfucking, step in the motherfucking home, motherfucking, in the country. All I can say is set the fucking children, 10 the fucking under. Motherfucking set the motherfucking and the children. Any motherfucking buddy give a fucking 10 the motherfucking don't the motherfucking let the fucker in. That's the fucking and the order. Motherfucking don't the motherfucking and the listen. Then you fucking don't listen all the bars, then the robots is in. All the motherfucking that said the right there was all my fucking and the bars don't listen. I run at the mic, never the fucking the run and stop at the run at the mic and the fucking the never go. Here I go again, man. Oh yeah. Yeah. Jumping on the beat of the never the motherfucker, the stop at the run of the fucking the back of the fucking the run of rapper, the like it, the disability, the mic and the never met the fucking the run of children, the fucking beat by the fucking doesn't matter, run a mic a motherfucking on my feet again, a motherfucker, run my motherfucking and the beat the motherfucking and again like a thunder in the motherfucking beat. You don't motherfucking let the motherfucking in, or run a motherfucking the mic and let the motherfucker in, the motherfucking beat it like the fucking thunder in the motherfucking country. Don't motherfucker bring your fucker in on the motherfucking the mic and the fucking there, motherfucking the never the fucker bring the motherfucker in the motherfucking country. Cause it doesn't matter, run a mic and never stop it on the motherfucker beat the motherfucker, never let the motherfucker run in on the motherfucker beat the mother, never really touch the run of the motherfucking the mic and the motherfucker doesn't really doesn't matter, run a motherfucker beat the motherfucking and listen. Ladies turn. Doesn't really matter, run a mic and never stop it, none of it doesn't matter, run a motherfucking mic and never really jump, run a beat it, it doesn't matter, yes I am a motherfucking jumping in a rapper, better motherfucking telling me the motherfucking you are running motherfucking tower, run a motherfucking mic and motherfucking don't the motherfucking let the motherfucking and the older motherfucking and the people in the motherfucking country, man. Unless you motherfucking stupid, motherfucking this a motherfucking like a thunder run a motherfucking beat a motherfucking and I can a motherfucking and I tell a motherfucking and a motherfucking buddy motherfucking and the children motherfucking and I get the motherfucking and I bring the motherfuckers and the motherfucking in the motherfucking in the country. Any motherfucker over motherfucking tell it and the motherfucking no one the motherfucking beat because it's motherfucking too motherfucking and the dangerous motherfucking like that. Sit the fucking children, fuck up the adults, motherfucking like a fucking thunder in the beat again. Look what we did to the motherfucking country that the motherfucking coming from. What you think the fucking gonna be? Motherfucking okay, motherfucking nice, and the motherfucking beat when they're in the motherfucking and the country motherfucking and like a fucking thunder run a motherfucking and like a fucking never the fucking stuff at the rid of the motherfucking the fucking never know. And I'm not fucking joking, never gonna be but provoking and the making never the motherfucking the stuff and the mother the fucking the making rapid the property like a fucking the city in the mother the fucking the bitty under the mother the fucking making the fucking the mother the fucking the blue city and the mother the fucking the making motherfucking bomb the mother the fucking lot of the motherfucking the beat and the feet after the run of the making motherfucking gone. But it fucking doesn't matter, brother. Motherfucking mic, I never stopping on the beat, motherfucking when I can, motherfucking and I tell you, motherfucking and something. It's about this, and I never really jump in. Cause I never stop at the minute, motherfucking the mic, and never the fucking the jump at the like it, the fucking down of the minute, the mic, and never the fucking run the beat, and the fucking bucket on the 70, the fucking like a fucking and I can run the matter, the fucking beat, the fucking put the matter, run the matter, the fucking the mic, and never stop and run the needs a motherfucking beat, the fucking rapper, run the matter, the fucking the mic, and never gonna be. I'm fucking rapping to the motherfucking beat, the like it, the no fucking beat, run the mic. If I fucking go again, the fucking around the Canada like it, the fucking down of the minute, the motherfucking the beat, the motherfucking the tail, you motherfucking and it's a big on the motherfucking beat. Yes, motherfucker inside my soul and the motherfucker beat a man in control. But it fucking doesn't matter when the motherfucker stab me in the ass with the motherfucking injection to motherfucking stop me going crazy and the motherfucking mic, but I'm fucking 80. Yes, you know how good I am on the mic, but it doesn't really matter what I say, I can't be, but it fucking doesn't matter, see, on the motherfucking mic, where's the policy? Anybody wanna fucking stop, say sorry, doesn't fucking matter, cause you motherfucking drive a motherfucking on the lorry, motherfucking sometimes, but it fucking doesn't matter, cause I never see the fine. Other people in this place, anybody motherfucking they got it on the mic. With the motherfucking people in this place, motherfucking and the gone to, motherfucking running on, like this, and the motherfucking beat the motherfucking, but they can motherfucking be right, motherfucking, and now they're in the motherfucking the mic, motherfucking got it on the beat and never stopping on the mic. Take it to the place and never stopping on the mic and never jumping in the mic and never kind of run the motherfucking beat and never stopping, but it wasn't really motherfucking okay now. Jumping on the beat, it doesn't matter. Yes, I got the motherfucking buffer you and I will run the motherfucking mic and motherfucking bring a motherfucker in the motherfucking in the country. Tell the motherfucking people that the motherfucking and the government down, motherfucking not the motherfucking, let the motherfucking and the adult motherfucking in the motherfucking country, but it fucking doesn't matter because I was a motherfucking and the Eddie on the making never stop and but it fucking doesn't matter when I never really promised on the motherfucking mic, I'm never really gonna stay, motherfucking and the story, but it fucking doesn't matter because I was a motherfucking and the really fucking data. Yes, I could be off my, yeah, just the motherfucking act like that, man. Show this motherfucking rapper to a motherfucking shady on the motherfucking beat, the motherfucking the syllable in the mic, it doesn't matter, run the motherfucking beat, you never really get a motherfucking church again, a motherfucking, yes, I can a motherfucking do the elevator, motherfucking music like a fucking under the motherfucking beat, the motherfucking doesn't matter because I started on my feet, the motherfucking underneath the fucking on the fucking eater, run the motherfucking beat, the motherfucking when I stop it, and the motherfucking people about like a fucking me tea time, motherfucking just run the mic and never the fucking see. Ready for a battle, run the motherfucking, the mic, the motherfucking ready. This one is the only one where you get me looking good and doing it properly. And I'm not just saying that, but all the other ones that you think are shit, after you've heard this one and you look at me and you fucking can see that when you do listen to them ones that have all got motherfucking in, when you listen properly, forget about the motherfucking bit, you'll fucking hear me right. If I die before I wake, I'll pray the world my songs to play. What a fucking tune. Boom, boom, boom. Doesn't really matter when I never really thought about the motherfucker, be the motherfucker, then I come in on the motherfucker, make a motherfucker to the beat, run the motherfucker, make a motherfucker, and I kind of motherfucker, then I jump in the rapper like it, the motherfucker, then make it, never stop it, like it, the motherfucker beat. Doesn't really matter when I motherfucker beat, never stopping, and I make a never dropping, motherfucker, doesn't matter, cause I am a motherfucking, and I'm really good at rapper when I really want a motherfucker, be a motherfucking, and a perfect fucking rapper, run the motherfucker, beat the motherfucking, and I kind of motherfucking, and the same motherfucking, anything I really want a motherfucker, say you run a motherfucker beat again. Take it to the bridge, but it fucking doesn't matter, cause I motherfucking know, motherfucking what they're up to, motherfucking yes, in these motherfucking worlds, what they're fucking and they're doing, like a motherfucking now, motherfucking and I tell them, motherfucking on the path, motherfucking sometimes. Here in their minds, what they're fucking doing, like a motherfucking can. Yes, motherfucking in the gang, but it fucking doesn't matter when I don't need to bring my motherfucking bang, bang, bang on the beat, but it fucking doesn't matter on the mic, never gonna be motherfucking yes, motherfucking and I can, motherfucking and I motherfucking do my motherfucking and I rapping like a this and the mic, I never stopping on the mic, I'm motherfucking and I doing it like a fucking this, but I never take the piss, and I'm never really gonna go like that, jumping on the motherfucking beat, you know I'm never motherfucking the crazy on the motherfucking the mic, just a motherfucking AD, motherfucking just in the run, the motherfucking the beat that I never try. It's time to sell this motherfucking beat on the mic now, you know I'm not crazy. Jumping on the beat again, I'm never really gonna die. Jumping on the mic, but I could be slack, but I'm never gonna change on the motherfucking beat and everybody's gonna see me. Jumping on the mic, I'm never really gonna be the rapper that you really wanted me to be. But I still can't change on the mic, but it doesn't matter in the mic, in my mind, doesn't really matter when I never really see the fine. Jumping on the mic, but I'm never really gonna be rapping on the beat, but I'm never really gonna change on the mic, yes, cause I'm a motherfucking can, motherfucking on the rapper that I get the fucking that the bit of the mic, I fucking never the fucking change. I'm never gonna change on the mic, but I never really know. Jumping on the motherfucking mic, I'm in the studio, and it doesn't really matter, cause I'm motherfucking on the motherfucking mission. Never motherfucking change on the mic, but I'm motherfucking looking like a better on the motherfucking, never gonna be a motherfucking predator on the mic, and fucking get a motherfucking predator like a fucking on the shooter cunt. But I never really change on the mic, and I know, but it doesn't really matter, don't come into the motherfucking beat, I'm in the show. Hey, motherfucker, the runner, the motherfucking, the mic, the never stop at the minute, the mic, the never to jump at the like a tad, the minute, the mic, and this is the motherfucking Canada, rapper, the like a this is the like a motherfucking the Canada, when I'm never to stop at the when I pop at the like a this minute, the motherfucking beat, the can you motherfucking understand, motherfucking what I'm motherfucking saying? If you motherfucking the runner, Canada, the motherfucking yes on the mic, but it fucking doesn't matter why, jumping on the beat, and never gonna be slime, motherfucking when I rap it like a tad again, in the mic, never know, jumping on the motherfucking beat, I'm motherfucking in the flow, never gonna stop, doesn't really matter why, jumping on the beat again, no motherfucker can compete then. But I'm motherfucking never gonna motherfucking change on the motherfucking the mic, never gonna motherfucking change on the beat, but it fucking doesn't matter, cause I'm up a motherfucking and a rapper fucking beat, right and hour on the beat. I'm never gonna motherfucking change a beat, but it fucking doesn't matter when I never skip a beat. On the motherfucking beat, but I'm back, but here we go again in the run of the motherfucking the mic, the fucking Canada, the motherfucking skipping the beat, the like a that, but it never change on the mic, but I'm never really gonna know why you beat on the beat and never stopping. It's a motherfucking kind of beat, the motherfucking on the content that you're looking motherfucking down for. On the motherfucking mic, I'll never be poor. And here we go again. Nice motherfucking and a tune like this. Motherfucking and a rapper. The rhythm, the motherfucking, the beat, it never change. Motherfucking the Canada, like a fucking and a dada, the never the fucking beat. Motherfucking and a never the motherfucking advert. A fuck again, an advert. Fuck off, you cunt. Fucking trying to fucking do a rap and the fucking adverts are on the cunt. Cunts, aren't they? Think of it as a fucking instrumental fucking chorus. Thank you. Now where was I on the beat? Don't know. Yes, you know. Yes, I am a messiah on the mic, but it doesn't really matter 'cause desire on the motherfucking beat. The motherfucker could be higher on the mic, but the fucking doesn't matter fucking why. Anybody wanna come and have a cry? Doesn't really fucking matter. Everybody motherfucking and the losing motherfucking all the people everywhere motherfucking and the dying. Everybody and the dying in the motherfucking world. The motherfucking all the people motherfucking and the dead motherfucking. What we gonna motherfucking and the do about the motherfucking people? Big motherfucking and the peace and quiet motherfucking and the silence for motherfucking all the motherfucking dead and the fucking the run the people the motherfucking never motherfucking and the made it through the motherfucking COVID motherfucking and the 19. What we gonna motherfucking do it like this and they gonna run up the motherfucking and they get the motherfucking and the think about the motherfucker that the motherfucking dead. Cause I'm never gonna motherfucking change on the mic, cause I'm never gonna be motherfucking and a simple. Undiscovered, she has become a believer. Brenda. Take it to the beat again. But it didn't matter, run the Mac, never stop it, none of me, never knowing, none of the motherfucker, Mac, never really gonna stop it, run the motherfucker, Mac, motherfucker, and the rapper like a motherfucker, chopper, run the motherfucker, Mac, never really gonna motherfucker stop it, on the beat again. When the beat back, 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 I'll rap. Yo, looky, I'm showing you a video this time because I usually leave a blank screen and you all ignore me because you think it's shit because all you can hear is motherfucker. But I fucking promise you, if you listen properly, forget the motherfucker bit. They're good raps, believe it or not. Long ago. Here we go again. Revving up the beat when I know like this. Standing on my feet, but I take the notice. Doesn't really matter when I never really try like that. On the mic, I'll never be sly. Gonna jumping on the beat and again like this. And it doesn't matter when I jump on the beat and I never stop. Never gonna be like that on the mic when they're rapping in the beat again. It doesn't really matter when I'm rapping in the beat and motherfucking on the motherfucking change the fucking tune. I'm a motherfucking fuck on the mic, motherfucking on the kid, the motherfucking and never motherfucking on the 40 fucking minutes, motherfucking on the picture, motherfucking go with it. Doesn't really matter the run of the mic and never the drop of the run of the mic. Never really stop and run. Jumping on the mic and then sounding like a joke again. But it's just a fucking act again. Cause it doesn't matter the run of the mic and never to stop. When I jump out like a this again, I'm on the motherfucking mic. It doesn't really matter run the motherfucking mic. I'm motherfucking just a kind of motherfucking and a rapper like a this and the beat and the fucking doesn't matter when I never really try to run the mic and motherfucking and I guess. Just got every day like this on a motherfucking mic. I just don't want a motherfucking on the town, my motherfucking mate. So yeah, motherfucking yes, I'm okay. On the motherfucking beat, I'm motherfucking never gonna fuck up and again run the back. I'm motherfucking and I know what motherfucking I know what I fucking can and I want to fucking can run the back, but I can't I'll do like that. Doesn't really matter why I'm jumping in the mood, but it fucking doesn't matter why I'm in the motherfucking in the mood right now. But it fucking doesn't matter when I'm gonna show you how on the motherfucking beat, I'm motherfucking and the revving on the back, motherfucking and it doesn't matter why I'm jumping in the sky. Here I go again. Everybody in the motherfucking and the beat and the motherfucking note. Jumping on the mic, motherfucking and the listen. In the motherfucking and the tail. In the motherfucking and the minute or two. We're on the motherfucking and run the mic and the never to the jump at the like the fuck. But the fucking doesn't matter the fucking the mic and never stop it when I'm rapping and I get the fucking the motherfucking the mic and the fucking to the motherfucking beat. Fucking doesn't matter run the fucking mic and the fucking doesn't matter run the motherfucking mic and the fucking and the fucking top of the fucking mic and the fucking beat. Motherfucking the rapping but I'm never gonna be. I'm free as a motherfucking bird in the sky. Motherfucking I'm back in the motherfucking tapestry again. Motherfucking I'm back around the mic and motherfucking and I'm motherfucking better not the motherfucking rapping motherfucking and sometimes motherfucking make a fucking sound shit properly. Motherfucking on the motherfucking purpose. Here we go again. Jumping on the beat again. Never gonna die. Still looking young. And age 1 bit. Still looking good. I'm a fucking messiah. And she gives me wood. Here we go again. Stop fucking around. Gotta be free. Gotta be proud. Here we go again, and then the beat coming down, the beat coming down, the beat now. Anybody on the motherfucker mic can never stop it, on the mic, motherfucker, yes, I can, motherfucker, and a rapper like this, boy, you were on the motherfucker beat, what you want to be, the motherfucker took about it, never want to rap about it, never run the mic, motherfucker, and yes, I can, fucking do it, like a fucking under this, fucking proper run the motherfucker mic, motherfucker, and I can, motherfucking under, yes, motherfucker, then change on the motherfucker mic, motherfucker, doesn't matter, run the beat. But I'm never gonna motherfucking change it like that and run the motherfucking mic and never to drop at the one of never to stop at the run the mic and never to fucking know it and again like that in the motherfucking beat. It doesn't matter because I'm motherfucking yes. Cause I'm motherfucking yes on the mic, but it fucking and it doesn't matter this time. Anybody motherfucking on me on the beat, motherfucking and they get you motherfucking and know I'm motherfucking and the rapping like a fucking and the shady motherfucking and the syllable like a this to run the motherfucking and the mic fucking and the fucking and the music like a that run the mic and never really fucking fuse it. Cause the motherfucking new motherfucking and the music, yeah, on the mic, motherfucking new music and the beat, but it fucking doesn't matter when I stand in the motherfucking that's the fucking beat, the motherfucking never granted on the fucking and the be a motherfucking and the telly motherfucking and the gun the motherfucking and the shit and again run the beat, the motherfucking it's the motherfucking beat like a that run the motherfucking on the beat. Chorus again! It's a fucking advert! Just bear with me, son! Fucking wankers, isn't they? As soon as I get in the flow, they put a fucking advert on. Cunts. Where was I now? Jumping on the mic, can I get back into the motherfucking rap again? Doesn't really matter then. I'm a motherfucking... Jumping on the beat, the motherfucking the motherfucking the mic, the motherfucking the beat, the rapper, the like the fucking this is the you the motherfucking the runner, one of the winner, the motherfucking the beat, the one the motherfucking the runner, good the rapper, the like that, the one of the motherfucking the good the fucking rapper, the motherfucking friend again, the motherfucking the mic, motherfucking the yes, I know the runner, the mic, motherfucking the flow again, the never fucking gonna change. Try to fucking beat again. Oh my motherfucking the runner, got the like the motherfucking beat, the motherfucking Canada runner, the mic, the motherfucking good the rapper, the motherfucking. I'm not good at rapping on the mic, but it fucking doesn't really matter this time on the beat, but it fucking doesn't matter why jumping on the beat and never really gonna cry. What's with all these people, motherfucking that's in the motherfucking and the foreigners in the fucking country, motherfucking get the motherfucking country fucked on the mic, motherfucking on the motherfucking get in, motherfucking blow us all up, motherfucking on the suicide bombers and the motherfucking attackers and the motherfucking terrorists around the motherfucking and amongst these people that the motherfucking trying to motherfucking get it in. You know what I'm saying, man? For fuck's sake, all these people want to come in our countries and that, but anyone over the age of 10 could be fucking terrorists pretending to be people, and we let them in and then they fuck us. So 10s and unders, yeah, anyone over 10, fuck off. Back to the beat of the motherfucking the try, like a fucking the motherfucking the beat, the never the try, motherfucking the never really gonna be a motherfucking style, just a motherfucking way, motherfucking and it's in the motherfucking beat, just to think about it, motherfucking and the fucking properly. Never gonna stop me, motherfucking yes, the motherfucking no. Jumping on the mic, they're never really gonna see motherfucking never people like a motherfucking that are in the mic, motherfucking and what you walk with the one on the mind, motherfucking and the beat again, the motherfucking the slide like a fucking that are in the mic. Doesn't really matter why. Jumping on the beat again, and never really gonna see any motherfucking body in the motherfucking and the policy now. Jumping on the motherfucking beat, and never really knowing on the motherfucking bike, and never really gonna slow me on the motherfucking beat, and never stopping on the motherfucking beat, and never popping in the motherfucking place, and never really gonna stop it. And it doesn't really matter when I'm motherfucking rapping like a motherfucking proper run, a motherfucking beat again, and never really stopping on the motherfucking bike, and never really gonna motherfucking be my fucking friend. Just bet you can't out on the motherfucking the beat that I never try, motherfucking on the mic, I'm never really gonna be that rapper on the mic, and never the fucking see, motherfucking on the stop, jumping on the mic again. Everybody wanna know on the motherfucking beat, never really stopping on the mic, I'm motherfucking never gonna know, motherfucking never dropping on the mic, and never popping on the mic, and never dropping, motherfucking doesn't matter, motherfucking, and I'm sorry for the motherfucking people that are motherfucking hurt on the motherfucking beat that I motherfucking can. Yeah, Lindsay, man, I'm motherfucking sorry on the motherfucking beat again, motherfucking see this motherfucking and the picture, motherfucking and the video, I'm watching motherfucking and I think I read it, I will run the motherfucking beat, the motherfucking, and we got the motherfucking and the kiss the motherfucking and together run the motherfucking beat, the motherfucking and the proper run the motherfucking beat. What a fucking tune. So I'm happy to let this whole album play and just do a few raps, a few beats here and there, and stop, do a few raps and that. So, yeah. Sometimes you'll realise this tune is never be the same again. I'll bring it out again. This tune with me in it, like it wasn't before. Now I'm knocking at the door, and you're not a fucking whore. They're the Sebadonic Bees. Listen! Fucking in a bit again. Yes, I'm motherfucking angel on the beat. Doesn't really matter why. Jumping on the motherfucking, I can never stop it. And I can never drop it. But the fucking doesn't matter. Motherfucking an angel in the motherfucking beat. The motherfucking and the belt. The motherfucking and the planet on the motherfucking beat. The motherfucking doesn't matter. Run the back of motherfucking and the cannon. Motherfucking and the tail. Motherfucking everybody in the motherfucking beat. The fucking doesn't really fucking matter on the mic. Cause it doesn't matter why, jumping on the beat and never really gonna be sly. No motherfucker on the motherfucking beat again and never really stopping. Cause it fucking doesn't matter when they're jumping on the beat and run the motherfucking beat and motherfucking like a that. G.O.D. Never really gonna motherfucking none follow me. No motherfucker on the motherfucking beat and never stopping on the back and motherfucking doesn't matter when I never really change on the motherfucking mic and everybody gonna motherfucking listen to me. Motherfucking on the mic, motherfucking in my eyes, I'm motherfucking purple then, don't fucking lie. Any other motherfucking on the colour maybe on the motherfucking beat again, I'll never be crazy on the motherfucking beat again, I never really gonna understand this shit. Motherfucking on the why, motherfucking on the jumping on the beat, I'm never gonna be understanding like motherfucking on the that on the beat, I'm never really gonna see me change.